Welcome YouTuber. This video will have positive affirmations, bringing you a higher energy. If you wish a video with no messages, please choose our 2-hour video. Now relax. Take a deep breath. Feel yourself floating. Floating freely, undistracted and ready to listen.
We review considerations to take problems from your mind. You will always be conscious unless you choose to drift off. Start by clearing your mind. If problems come to your attention, you will solve them in this tranquil, energetic state. Next time you think of those difficulties, you'll remember how to solve them.
Remember this. It is the message, not the messenger, that is important. We are not trying to appear as anything other than a normal person. Don't get all tangled up with the appearance of anything else.
All humans are basically somewhat like you. Learn self-control and let others do the same. Know the appearance of any other person is just a different expression of the basic human genome. They are all very interesting, each in their own way. Then, all you need to know is to first know yourself.
You can apply that same technique to understanding anyone else. So here we go. Time, space, distance. Consider time as a constant stillness. Time is a man-made tool to measure the movement of objects. The time is the same here as it is somewhere else. It just takes a while to reach or move to the other location. Or it just takes time.
Man-made clock-like devices to measure time between 2 points. Examples like the measurement between sunrise and set. How long did it take? Everything has been measured. We used to measure the distance between locations by how long it took to reach them. The distant destination could be 2 days of travel.
By measuring the speed of light, we know the distance between the sun and the planets. We then estimate the distance to faraway galaxies. But what if there was no such thing as time travel? Then going to the future would only be an estimation of one of the many endless possibilities. Consider that traveling back in time is only accessing a kind of memory, like an impression left on the face of Earth, a magnetic impression. And those sensitive enough could read those impressions and tell you about them.
Now with that knowledge, you could develop your sensitivity. And free from distraction, strengthen your energies. Raise the rate of your vibration. Brighten your light. Raise these energies. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this wisely. Practice and develop its strength. Consider our videos as a tool to take you on a journey deeper into your mind with positive affirmations. Remember, do not kill the messenger if you don't like the message. We all have a different path in life we travel on. And we learn from and help each other. This is what makes the human race so great. Where time is motion, and your thoughts move at the speed of light, open the door to your inner mind, and find a brand new energies sleeping inside. Gabriel. Consider our videos as a tool to take you on a journey deeper into your mind with positive affirmations. Remember, do not kill the messenger if you don't like the message. We all have a different path in life we travel on, and we learn from and help each other. This is what makes the human race so great. Where time is motion, and your thoughts move at the speed of light, open the door to your inner mind, and find the brand new energies sleeping inside. Gabriel.